Hey guys, it's Joanna from CG Vinyl Studio. Today I wanted to bring you along as I package up another order. This time it's for my HD metal chrome material. It's for 10 8.5 by 11 sheets. As you can see here, my first step is always to take photos and email them to myself and to the buyer so they have a record of the order, as do I. So I've done that already. That's why you see the sheets fanned out here. I don't want anybody to be able to say that I sent them less than they ordered. So this protects me as well. And it protects them. So I have everything laid out here. My shipping supplies and my non-marring gloves are over here. I've been using those gloves for many, many years, and they help just to keep any fingerprints or debris off of the material. And I also wanted to show you guys what this material actually looks like when it's printed on. It's very cool, very unique. So these are my F-bombs, which I sell these very often as well. You can see how reflective that is. And they look really, really great outside. So we're in LED overhead lighting here, but that's what they look like. So in front of you, you see my shipping sleeve. These are my 12 by 12 boxes that I use for many different types of orders. In this case, I'm just using essentially half of the box. I also have a layer of the flaps that I took off of the box, and they are laid down in here. So there's two of those. I'll show you what that looks like. So this just adds an extra layer of non-flexibility so that the material doesn't bend in shipping. Luckily, I've never had that happen before. This is my kind of tips and tricks and, instructions basically on how to use each of the materials that I sell. And underneath that, I have a coupon with my logo attached to it that has my email address on it also. And it's 15% off for anybody that wants to reorder. So I'm going to put you guys up here. This is my light, and it's got a little a magnification lens there, so you should be able to see what I'm doing. Got my sheets and my instructions and my packing list. The packing list is important for the photos because it tells who the buyer is, and that is everything that belongs in there. So now I have my nice sleeve. What this also does is give the buyer a place to store any unused sheets and keep them flat, because you can see they're not totally flat. They want to bend. And for putting them in your printer, you want them to be flat so they can store the sheets in this sleeve as well. So I'm just going to take a piece of masking tape, just making sure everything is not going to stick out of the bottom of my sleeve. And then I'm going to write something on the front. In this case, I'll just write the word chrome just so I can stay oriented. And I know this is the top, and that's where I want to put my shipping label. So now I'm going to just tape up the edges. But if you guys want to place any orders, I will have my information in the description box. I'm running a little bit low on this material, so now would be the time to buy it, because it's probably going to take me a bit to get some new material. And personally, it's our favorite material to print on because it makes for extremely unique decals. It's pretty flexible. It's actually a very thin layer of metal that has an inkjet printable coating that allows you to print on it with dye or pigment-based inkjet inks. And if you have any questions about whether your printer can utilize this material or, what you can do with it, just feel free to email me anytime. Okay, so basically I'm done with that. I put one strap over the center just to pinch down the edges. I'm just pushing those down as much as I can because, again, I want the sheets to, first of all, not move, and to stay nice and flat in shipping. So there's the package. Let's see what it weighs. It weighs 13.1 ounces, so I'll print a 14-ounce label from USPS Ground Advantage. If you order lots of sheets or larger sheets, I can use different shipping methods. This is just the most economical for this type of order. So again, guys, if you have any questions or you need a quote for a large quantity of sheets or a custom size, I can do that too. Please let me know. Thank you.